Want to create a great logo for your business? In this video, we're going to share how you can create a great business name and logo by breaking down the same steps that we followed to create ours. Your logo is a symbol of your brand, so there can be a lot of pressure to create a really great logo and get it right the first time. But I want to let you in on a secret. Our current logo is OctoClean's 5th logo. It is also the company's 2nd name. So I want you to remove any pressure you may be putting on yourself to make it perfect. The chances are you will rebrand in the future, and most companies do. Google, Apple, McDonald's, all of these really big brands that we know so well have all gone through logo changes. So don't stress, and don't let it stop you from starting your business. So what do you need to begin the process of creating a really great logo? First, you need a unique business name. Before we were OctoClean, we were Service Pros. While that's a great name, it's a popular name. If you type Service Pros into Google search, you'll see Serve Pros, Service Pros Automotive, Service Pros Installation Group. The list goes on, page after page of Service Pros. So we knew we needed to change our name in order to be memorable and recognizable. Those are 2 key words that you should write down. You want a business name that is simple and unique enough that people remember it, and visually you want your logo to be one of a kind so that when people see it, they recognize it as you. In our case, the first OctoClean logo came before the name. Our founding members were sitting together brainstorming at a restaurant, and Matt and Greg's grandmother, Peggy Rose, drew an illustration of an octopus with cleaning tools in each of its tentacles. The sketch became the company's logo, and it is what inspired the name OctoClean. If you're trying to think of a great name for your cleaning business, do the same. Hold a brainstorming session with your family, close friends, and business partners. Write down your story, industry vocabulary, write down how you want customers to feel about your service. Maybe also write down things that make you and your company unique. It could be where you're originally from, maybe your family name. Also write down people, places, and things that inspired you. Take inspiration from the business names that you like and don't like. Don't forget to do research on names within your industry. You want to make sure that the name you land on is available to trademark. Once you have a list, narrow it down to 5 names. Now ask yourself these 5 questions. Does the name make sense, and will my customers understand it? 2, is the name a good fit for our industry? 3, is the name future-proof? OctoClean, for example, doesn't include our location in the name. We aren't OctoClean of Riverside, so we can easily expand into new territories. We also aren't OctoClean janitorial. We've kept it very general, which allows us to expand into different service offerings like floor care and carpet cleaning. Number 4, is the name easy to spell? Because it could roll off the tongue, but you want people to be able to spell it in a Google search. 5, finally, is it easy to remember? This should help you narrow down your names even further and hopefully select one that is the best fit for you. We're going to get into logo design in just a moment, but before we do, did you know we have an OctoClean store? Head over to the store to get your very own OctoClean merch. One of my personal favorites is the OctoClean family shirt. We consider all of you supporting our channel to be part of our OctoClean family, so go and cop your shirt today by visiting the store tab on our channel or by visiting shop.octoclean.com. Now that you have a name, you will need a logo. There are many types of logos. There are wordmark logos, which, as the name suggests, is just the name in a font of your choice. Examples of companies with this type of logo include Google, Coca-Cola, and Amazon. There are also symbol logos. Examples of companies with this type of logo are Nike, Apple, Target. These companies have the brand recognition that allows them to have a logo like this. We see the symbol and we know what it is. A symbol logo isn't the best option for a business that is just starting out or gaining traction. You would most likely want to go with a word mark or a combination mark that includes both the company name and a symbol. Now, we aren't graphic designers, we're commercial cleaners and business owners over here. So you likely won't be creating your own logo, but it is important for you to know what direction you want to go in so your designer has a creative brief to work with. You can work with a marketing agency, which we did, or you can work with a graphic designer that you source online from sites like Fiverr or Upwork at more affordable price points. We've used Fiverr before to create really great graphics for as low as $100 and recommend you give them a try. The symbol that you collaborate to create should match the name in some way. For example, an octopus logo for a company called OctoClean, pretty much a no-brainer. The symbol should also capture the personality you want your business to convey. Do you want it to be professional, stable and assertive, or fun and uplifting? You want the logo to reflect the emotion you want your business to communicate to customers. As a cleaning company, you likely want to convey professionalism, simplicity, and cleanliness, of course. So keep it simple. All of the best logos are simple. Same goes for your brand's colors. There's a whole psychology around colors. They convey meaning and feelings, so be selective. That is why you'll see lots of cleaning companies with blue and green logos. These two colors are often associated with purity, hygiene, and reliability. Stick to a maximum of 5 colors. Only 2 of those colors should be primary colors. The others should be used sparingly in the logo, if at all, or as secondary options for other design elements, for example, on social media or your website. Things to consider in your logo design. 1, your logo should have balance. Alignment, spacing, and symmetry are all important parts to achieving a balance in your logo. 2, there should be a hierarchy for your logo design. For example, we wanted clean to stand out in our logo, so we made Octo light and clean bold to stress the importance of what we do. And finally, use contrast to give your design a wow factor. That can be done through the colors that you choose or the shapes you incorporate. Remember, less is more, keep it simple. I hope you go on to create an amazing logo for your business. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe. We really appreciate all of you and are proud of the community we're creating here on YouTube. We'll see you in the next one.